Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to study the methods of goodwill. In the last class, we discussed about what is goodwill, its features, what are the factors which affect goodwill, how many categories of goodwill are there. So today we are going to discuss what are the methods by which we can calculate the value of goodwill. As you can see on the screen, there are three methods for the valuation of goodwill. These methods are average profit method, super profit method, and the last one is capitalization method. Under average profit method, again there are two: simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Just like average profit method, under capitalization method there are two, that is capitalization of average profit and capitalization of super profit method. So let's start with our first method, that is average profit method. Yes, here it is, average profit method. Here is a meaning. Under this method, past profits of a number of years are totaled up and average profit is found out. This average profit is multiplied by an agreed number of years purchase to arrive at the value of goodwill. Okay. So now the question is, how we can ascertain the value of goodwill with the help of this method, with the help of average profit method. So for that we need to take an example to understand the concept. Here on the screen you can see which company I have chosen. Amul, the taste of India. Can you see that girl? Little girl? Utterly, butterly, delicious Amul? Yes. So, how's the performance of Amul company? Well, it is going quite well. So here's the record of Amul company. The figures which I have taken here, students, is just an assumption. Okay, so I have taken just an assumption here, this amount. So you can see the past record of Amul 2017, 18, 19, 20. Amount which I have taken here is 10 crore in each and every year. How's it is? Good na? Stable company, getting more and more profit, same profit. If someone asks him to sell their industry, will they sell? What do you think? No. Why would they sell? Because they are earning good amount of profit. The performance is really good. In future also, they will earn profit in this manner. But can we say that for the whole life they will earn profit only? Though in the coming few years they will earn, but we can't be so sure that even after 20 years or 30 years, they will be earning same amount of profit or more. No, we just can't say that. Because of the market conditions, I think you all know market conditions we have already discussed in our factors affecting topic. So what are those market conditions? Yes, government policies keeps on changing, competitors arrival. So all these dynamic changes, because of all these dynamic changes, we cannot be so sure about their profits in the long run. So if we need to analyze Amul company's future profit, we can only anticipate up to next 4-5 years. Okay, we can only predict up to the coming 4-5 years that company will retain their profits, not more than that. So if they are selling it, suppose they are selling it, then how much extra amount we have to pay them for their goodwill. We know the concept of goodwill, but how it will be calculated, that we are going to study today. Okay, so as you can see the past performance, what I'm going to do, adding up all these figures, the past year's profit which I have taken, I'm going to add these amount. So can you tell me the total amount? Here I have taken 4 years, every year 10 year I have taken assumption. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, total will be 40 crores. Am I right? So total profit they are getting is 40 crores. Now coming to number of years purchase, which is mentioned in the meaning also. What is the meaning of that word, number of years purchase? Number of year purchase means anticipation. It is an estimation. I think I have estimated that Amul company will retain their profit, let's say for 3 more years. For 3 more years they will be earning that much of profit. 2021, 2022, 2023. ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ पे एक assumption लिया है, एक estimate लिया है कि कंपनी आगे आने वाले 3 सालों तक उतना ही प्रॉफिट अर्न करेगी. सो दिस इज नोन एज नंबर ऑफ इयर्स परचेज. जब हमें लगता है कि हम प्रिडिक्ट करते हैं, हम एक एस्टिमेट बनाते हैं कि इतने टाइम पीरियड तक कंपनी अपना प्रॉफिट रिटेन करेगी, दैट इज नोन एज नंबर ऑफ इयर्स परचेज. सो हियर आई हैव टेकन 3 years and my average profit was 10 crore. 40 crore divided by 4. Okay, first I calculated total profit. I got 40 crores total profit. Then we need to calculate average profit. Average profit के लिए 40 crore the total divided by number of years. Number of years कितने सालों का profit हमने add up किया है? We have taken 4 years. So 40 crore divided by 4, you will get how much? 10 crore. And anticipated estimation we have taken 3 years, which is our number of years purchase. So to get the goodwill, what we need to do, we need to multiply the number of year purchase with our average profit. That means 10 crore, which is the average, okay, which is the average 10 crore multiplied by 3, which is an estimate. You will get how much? 10 crore into 3. Yes, that's right. 30 crores is the value of goodwill, which means that when buyer acquire or purchase the business of Amul company, that time he will pay Amul company's owner 30 crore rupees extra for the name of their goodwill. Understood?